Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today to do some subitizing. Subitizing is when we see a group of objects and we instantly know how many there are. Let's subitize with Luna the Doberman. How many do you see? 10. How many do you see? 7. How many do you see? 1. How many do you see? 6. How many do you see? 8. How many do you see? That ever important 0. Yes, 0 is an important number. How many do you see? 3. How many do you see? 9. How many do you see? 4. How many do you see? 2. How many do you see? 5. Luna the Doberman says, "Great job, everyone. I hope you have a fantastic day."